Hi, so here's a quick look at the police deactivated rear door retrofit kit for the 11 to presently 2016 2017 Dodge Charger police vehicles. Now the reason I'm making this video is to show you if you want to go grab these parts out of a regular Charger from a scrapyard versus ordering the kit for about $200 or $300. The kit essentially consists of the two door handles. They do not put the plastic insert cover here because you're already removing that from the blank that you have. Simply insert a screwdriver and it pops out, but you can keep that piece if you remove these from another car. The two locking bars, or the knobs, and the two cables. You'll also need the little washer grommet that goes up here, and these are two plugs. I'm not entirely sure what these are for, and of course the switches. So those are really all the parts you need. The part number of the kit is over here, K6855754, and the Mopar part number, the alternative part number, is here, 1-1XE19DX9AA. These are what the parts look like, and that's what you need.